Have you ever wanted to own a pool and not have to worry about the maintenance costs, the water, the electric? So this beautiful home has a pool about 10 feet away from it. It's part of the HOA, it's part of the community here. And you get a pool, a jacuzzi, you get this whole area to have your family, to have barbecues, to have whatever you want. It has a beautiful built-in fireplace, has so many amenities. And you have it just 10 feet away from your house. All right, let's take a look inside. Everything is just this great big open floor plan that you don't find very often. You could be cooking, you could be washing the dishes, but you could be connecting with everybody that you have over, or if it's just yourself or your family, you'll be connecting with all of them. The loft has a great view overseeing the pool. Tax records have this home as a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. So it would be very easy to convert this into another bedroom and still have a great big landing. The laundry room is upstairs, which is again another rarity and a great design for these homes because then you don't have to carry your laundry down the stairs. As we walk into the primary bedroom, we're going to notice two things. One, it's a big room. And two, we get a lot of light in here because of all the windows. You're going to notice dual vanities, a very large walk-in closet, and a separate shower and toilet area.